Hi there. In this video, we will learn about SAP S4 HANA, and you will find more relevant video to SAP S4 HANA tutorials and SAP related videos. And if you like these kind of videos, please go ahead and subscribe. So this is a brief introduction to SAP GUI, and my name is Syed. I am a SAP published author. I have written SAP related books, and most relevant book for this topic would be SAP Quick SAP Basic Introduction and User Guide, where you will find all the detailed information about SAP GUI. And so let's get into this. SAP S4 HANA GUI tutorial. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. What is SAP? We need to understand this first. SAP is a name of a ERP application, which is a German-based company, and to access SAP application, ERP application from your computer, either you can access from the GUI application or you can access from the web. So to access from the GUI application, you have to install this on your machine, and after that this can be accessed. So right now the latest version of SAP S4 HANA ERP application is 1709. Actually there is one more newer version is out there, but for the most part 1709 is most used. And GUI application also have some versions on it. So we can see this is 730 showing up here, 7.3, and we can see on this graphical user application that we have favorites, shortcuts, and connections. So connections are showing us some connection for application server that we can access from our machine, and after we click on it, then it will prompt us login ID and password, where you can enter login ID and password. So there is a newer version of this application is 7.5 GUI, which is look very similar. Maybe some features are added on there, but for the most part it's very same. And we can see a SAP GUI icon. It will install on your desktop or PC or laptop, where you can access this application, and after that from connection you can see that you can access this. So there are more information available to create new connection, variable log on and log on. So to log on, we can just click on it and then click on log on, or double click on it. It will prompt us a new screen. After you enter your ID and password, it will bring you to the SAP Easy Access screen. So Easy Access screen is where you can enter your transaction code, where you can access different folders to access those transactions as well. So that's it for this video. Please go ahead and subscribe. Let us know if you have any feedback or comment. Thank you very much.